All right, boys and girls, I'm pretending to be Mikey today for the purposes of this video. So, new in our journalism article area is this document that we're all going to share. See, everybody has a line for their name. And what this is going to do is this is going to allow for everyone to have at least two readers give you feedback on your journalism article. And it lets you also read a bunch of different ones to see what people are writing about. So this is how to make it work. Here I am. I'm Mikey. I have finished a draft of my article. So I need to get a shareable link that will let people add in and make suggestions to my document. So forget that. I did that. You're going to click share. Now, down here, right now, the sharing is that anyone in Montgomery County Public Schools can view. What you have to do is make sure that, it's still Montgomery County Public Schools. Don't leave it unrestricted, that they can edit, because if they can only view it, they can't help you, right? They can just read it. So make sure it says editor, and then you're going to copy the link and done. If you forgot to copy the link, you can also go up here and copy the link. Then you're going to come over to our journalism story workshop access doc, and you're going to find your name. Here's me. I'm Mikey. And you're going to paste the link in. You have to press enter or it won't become a link. Okay, you have to press enter or it won't become a link. But now you can see it's a link right to his document. Then what's going to happen is somebody is going to just test the link. So it might be the first person who's going to read and give feedback and make sure it works. Okay, if it doesn't work, please write no. What? Okay, please write no so that we can see that it is a problematic situation and Mikey can fix it. Okay, now I'm going to pretend that I am Allison Banks and I have pasted my document up here. Okay, and now I'm ready to read and give feedback to Mikey. So I'm going to try to open this. Look, it worked. And I have editing access. I can type all kinds of things. But I don't want to do that. I want to suggest all kinds of things. So you have to click this little pencil button and turn on suggesting. I'm going to keep reminding you, but you don't want to change someone's document. You want to make suggestions. And now, if I want to make a suggestion that he put an extra space there, right, then it's going to just give it as a suggestion that he can say yes or no to later. And then the first thing I would recommend for Mikey is, why are these paragraphs centered? We want to suggest that they get aligned in that fashion. All right. And then you read through, you make suggestions. If something isn't clear, you leave a comment, right? And so if that Allison was going to be the first reader, she would put her name here, right? So do that before you make suggestions so that there are not two people in the same document. And then the next read. And then when Allison was done with that one and Cole had pasted his, then she could sign up for another person. Or if she wanted to be the second reader for someone's, or maybe now I'm Hannah, right? And so then that's the way it'll go, is you'll keep signing up to be a first reader until everyone has had a first reader, and then you're going to sign up to be a second reader. So hopefully everyone has at least two set of eyes, two brains, two hands, two hearts reading their document. So again, let's say I am, who else has turned in here? Layla Morales. You've got your document open. You can't just share this because it is not set to be editable by anyone. Hers is set to restricted. So you've got to change it. Change it so that anyone in Montgomery County can edit. And then you have to click copy. Then you're done. And then you come back over here. You find yourself, I'm Layla Morales. You paste the link. Someone will test it for you. And then when Mikey's all done looking at his own, he could sign up, click her link, open it, give her feedback. Okay. So that is the plan for how this document, this little exchanging document, is supposed to work. Please ask questions if you're confused, but come back and look at the video a second time before you ask questions.